Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we're going to see how you can insert image in Google Docs mobile on your iPhone. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is make sure that Google Docs is installed on your iPhone. So if you have not yet installed it, you can go to your App Store and install it right now. It is free. So after making sure that you have downloaded the app, you can simply just open it, and in here, you will be able to see your documents in here. You can see there are no current documents right now because I have not created one. So I'm just going to do that by tapping on this plus icon on the bottom right corner right here. And after doing so here, you can see there's the option of new document, tap on it. And after doing so here, now you have to name the document. I'm just going to name it untitled. So I'm going to tap on create. After doing so here, you can see we have successfully created your document and we are now opened in this document. In order to add the image, you can tap on the plus icon that you can see on the top right here. So after doing so here, you can see there is the option of image, tap on it, and then you can choose from photos or from camera. So if you want to choose a image from your photos, you can tap on from photos, but if you want to click a photo right now, you can simply just tap on from camera and open your camera and click a photo and insert the image likewise. I'm going to choose from my photos, so I'm going to tap on from photos. After doing so here, you can see now my photos has been opened. Now I can choose the image that I want to insert. Simply tap on the image that you want to insert like this, and you can see it is selected, and you have to now tap on the add option on the top right corner right here. After tapping add here, you can see the image has been inserted. And that is it. When you're done with it, you can simply just tap on the tick mark that you can see in the top left corner like this. And you can see the image is now saved in this document. You can go back, and when you again open the document, you can see this is the image, and the image has been successfully inserted on your Google Docs mobile. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.